Let me explain the following clip, okay? I just got back from the dentist. Half of my mouth was numb, so I couldn't like smile. My friends, Allie and Tylen, were coming to visit the house to see the updates, and I don't usually film when I'm with my friends. One, because I am with my friends, I am decompressing, I am not working, and I want to respect their privacy, you know, just like all the things. To further explain, as we were picking out doors, the door that I wanted was a custom built door for the laundry room, and it was a lot more than just like a regular door. And I really have wanted this door for the laundry room. And Joel knew how much I wanted this door, but I told Joel, I said, you know what? It is just a door. It does not matter. And I don't want us stressing about staying within budget, because if stuff comes up later, I don't want to have to worry about it either. So let's just go with the regular doors. And that's all I knew.
I think you wanted it.
Which I'm so grateful for. And he's like, I don't think we can do it.
Yeah, I had to call Trevor. I'm like, no, that's not the door order. That's the only one, sorry.
Thank you.
I was gonna send you a picture yesterday, but I was like, nah, you'll see it.
I am so happy you filmed that for us. Thank you.
This view is it's a silly joke. This view. Oh.
To me, this will never just be a laundry room door. To me, this will always be a grand romantic gesture. To me, this will always be like when I go in to do laundry. The laundry room is going to be a special room for me anyway. I have really fun plans for it. And this just makes it that much better. I'll never walk in there and do laundry without seeing the door, loving it, and just thinking of Joel. A door is just a door. It doesn't matter. It was the gesture. It was the gesture of him knowing that I really wanted this, but that I was okay to not have it. And he just wanted to surprise me. He just wanted me to have what I wanted. And it's the greatest romantic gesture. He is just like, I don't enjoy sharing how in love we are, because I feel like people will not think it's real, or they'll think it's just for the vlogs. Honey, I don't show the half of it. That makes me sad for women that don't have a really great man, but I know there are so many good men out there that treat their women right, and we just gotta teach them. That's what I'm doing with my boys. I'm just raising them to hopefully be a fraction of what their dad is, and they already are. Hey.
Wait.
But we can do a quick little, I need to see our room. This is our room. Advanced room.
Oh, hi, Joel. He's down there waving. Okay, the wind was way too loud, so I need to voice this over for you. Something I did not anticipate was retaining walls. So right here, right off the house, they are digging out a spot to put retaining walls, and the footings for retaining walls are way bigger than even just the footings for your house. I had no idea. You learn something every day, and yes, Joel makes me crazy being up there. Over here on the other side of the house is where Joel's shop is going to go, another area that I did not anticipate having such large retaining walls. I knew we would have one, but it spans this whole area. Well, here comes the crew, at least half of them. Joel? Then who is driving the truck? I am so confused. Okay, who's gonna take us to go pick up the Suburban?
My mom's coming right now.
Your dad or your mom?
Oh.
Okay. I was like, your mom's driving?
My dad can give us a ride.
Hey, that's fantastic. If your parents pick up, mine will drop off. That was a joke. I don't know. Okay, good morning and welcome to our, what is today? Memorial Memorial Day. What is wrong with me? Let me tell you something about our morning. So yesterday we went to the Glines baby blessing and it was a beautiful, fantastic.
I feel like I was blessed.
You know, I feel like we were all majorly blessed for going. It was such a nice day. We didn't get home till midnight.
And we saw so much wildlife in the canyon at 11 at night.
It was
Sketchy
insane.
a little
It was
bit.
very scary.
It was insane, but it was cool. What did we see? Elk?
We saw an
we
elk.
saw elk, we saw
Deer.
deer, we saw raccoon.
Yep.
And
We saw one.
Guess what time all these jokers woke up this morning?
9.
9 o'clock, including this guy. Look how skinny he is. Joel, you have gotten so skinny working on the house.
Today I woke up at 10.
Well, yeah, Lincoln always sleeps the latest. Can I show them what you made yesterday? Let's see.
I made one bracelet.
Got a link. Whoa, you're moving way too fast. Okay, we got a
Bracelet.
Lincoln bracelet. Got it?
And it has smileys that glow like this purple and blue one. And I made 2 rings. And I
And a
made this
necklace. Okay, let me tell you, these jewelry making kits, the boys enjoy them just as much as the girls. Later, will you promise you'll show? I'll link the sets in the description because they had them there. I'm going to buy my own set. All right, we got Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi.
You gonna take us to pick up our car?
I have to make sure my name is like on the right way, so it doesn't say not sob because it's my name backwards. Anyway, but last night I made Boston with these colors, and then I showed my mom, and then she said, "Oh, you should make Wade because that's my middle name." So I did. It's Boston Wade,
And not to be confused with
not sob.
not sob. I'm not gonna lie, that looks like a lot of fun. Okay, that looks like a lot of fun. You know, IKEA is the next best thing. It's fine.
I don't know. Let's go to the dunes. Let's just pack it up and go to the dunes.
Okay, let's go get in the car.
I love IKEA.
After getting several samples, Lincoln was like, oh my gosh, I never want to leave this place again. Okay. Yes, thank you so much.
They'll shrink about, well, do you dry them? Yeah. Okay, so they're going to shrink a quarter of an inch.
Why hasn't Joel noticed?
He goes in the rock shelf.
Lincoln, does Dad even see you?
Yeah.
I was waiting for his reaction.
I think I wouldn't recommend going shorter, but everyone's hits to each their own. But I would say you're fine. You're good. No worries. So that's good. Trying to get dressed here.
Lincoln?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for your reaction.
Yeah, I was like, I gotta put pants on. Get out of here, kid.
You didn't even say a thing.
I said, get out of here, kid. Got another one. They did this to me in the bathrooms at IKEA, too. I don't feel like these are the same as what I have at home.
Well, we spent the majority of the afternoon fixing a dishwasher tube. The dishwasher's fine. The disposal's fine. It was the tubing.
Dang tubing.
Yeah, we worked on that. And by the time we were done, nothing in the kitchen felt appetizing. So, you know, we're ending our Memorial Day here at our favorite burger place. If you're ever in Roy, I miss running into people we know. That's really fun. We ran into some high school friends' parents. That was fun.
It's been fun living down here, running into old
It
friends.
has. Yeah, I get so choked up. I hate that I do
hate
that.
it,
I'm
too.
like, get it together,
Keep the
Bonnie.
glasses on.
Link, tell me what you guys, what soup you made today out here.
We made Willy Wonka's.
No, we made caterpillar soup. We found old caterpillar.
I'm not even gonna get any closer than
We found
this.
87.
87 caterpillars that are they poisonous? So,
We don't know. They got thorns out their butt and they spit out green stuff.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna guess.
so we made like that, you know, by we, I mean all of you guys made poison soup.
Yeah.
What did you make?
Made this. I put a bolt in, and I had like a stick, so I carved it. And I put a bolt in, so now it's like curse on.
So it's like your pocket knife. You made a pocket knife with your pocket knife?
It's a curse on mine.
And it's actually pretty sharp right here.
Hey, good job. I saw you over there in your overalls whittling away. It's Thursday and they are getting all of the forms set for the footings of the foundation. This is where Joel's shop is gonna go. You can kind of see an outline of where it's gonna go. So we'll have the shop here, a driveway that the shop and the house will share, and then there's gonna be a roundabout about right here, and then that roundabout will connect to the road right here. So if you can envision that, that's what we're working towards. So today's Thursday, we've got a baptism this weekend, and so they're waiting to pour cement until Monday when we're back. So have a good weekend.